Hey, this is Gigi from Kauai Community College. This is a unit conversion problem that has to do with volume. All right, so a cylinder here has a diameter of 4, and diameter of 4 means the radius is 2 meters. Okay, and we need the radius because we need to go and find a volume. And then the height is 8 meters. Okay, so volume of any straight up solid, which this is a straight up solid, is the area of the base multiplied by how tall, right? So area of the base multiplied by how tall. So volume here is going to be area of a circle multiplied by the height. Okay, now don't just memorize these random equations that people give you. Really understand the concept of volume of a straight up solid being the area of the base shape, in this case, a circle, and the area of a circle is pi times radius squared multiplied by how tall, and how tall is the 8 meters. Okay, so we will have 2 squares, 4. 4 times 8 is 32. So this is 32 pi, and the unit is meter cube. Now, if you would feel better about that pi not being there, then you use your calculator to say 32 multiplied by pi, and use the pi button. That would be approximately 100.53 meter cube. Okay, so we are going to go from 100.53 meter cube, and the question is how many gallon. Okay, so we know we are going to end in blank gallon, and we will start with 100.53 meter cube. So let's go and look at our unit conversion reference page and see how we would be able to use that, right? So we are not using feet and yard here. We are going to go from meter cube, right? So meter cube to gallon. How do we go from meter cube to gallon? Well, first of all, let's trace backward, right? 1 gallon is 128. 1 gallon is 128 fluid ounces. That's from there. And then we can say that 1 fluid ounce is 30 milliliter. And then here we have 1 milliliter is equal to 1 centimeter cube. And then here we would say, ooh, what's the relationship between meter cube and centimeter cube? Well, let's look. 1 meter, okay, so we know that 1 meter is 100 centimeter, right, from this list right here. We have meter. 1 meter is 10 decimeter. 1 decimeter is 10 centimeters. So in short, 1 meter is 100 centimeter, right? And this is the unit of length, okay? Now, cube is the unit of volume. So what do we have to do? We have to go and cube both sides. So 1 meter cube is 100 cube. 100 cube is 1 with 60, which is a million. centimeter cube. And that would be the bridges that we would need to take in order to get from meter cube to gallon. Okay, so let's copy this here over to the board that we were using so we can have that as a reference. Here we go. Put that here. Okay. Here we go. So we would say in this problem, 1 meter cube on the denominator, because we want to cancel the meter cube out, is 1 million centimeter cube. Okay, and so we see here that meter cube cancel with meter cube, and then 1 centimeter cube is 1 milliliter. That's like the really cool bridge, and that's why metric system is pretty awesome. That conversion right there. 1 centimeter cube is 1 milliliter. Like it's converting things that are in normal solid state into milliliter, which is liquid. And then here you will have 1,000, well, no, not 1,000. I'm not going to liter. I'm going to go 30 milliliter is 1 fluid ounce, right? And that's the bridge between metric and our unit, our standard US unit. And then 128 fluid ounces is in 1 gallon. So again, let the unit guide your thinking process. You do not need to go and start dividing and multiplying. You're just going to make your life a lot harder doing that. Okay, just let the unit guide itself out. 100.53 multiplied by 1 million here, multiplied by 111, which we don't need to write. And then on the denominator, you have 130 multiplied by 128. All right, that is a very big water tank. So let's do the calculation. Times 100.53 divided by 30 times 128 on the denominator. And that is approximately the answer is 26,179.86. So I'm going to say 180, approximately that many gallon. Okay, and that is it. Okay, so again, use this reference page here and find out the bridge between your conversions, and make sure that if you are using it for volume, we need to go and cube first the unit of length, which was given to us here in the reference page. So a little bit of work here before we can use it for volume. All right.